All right, so here's another tip for you. When you're done doing your first coat, you don't want to leave your roller nap just sitting out in the air because that's going to dry and put boogers all over your wall. Now this works whether it's rolling on joint compound or if you're painting, if you put it in plastic. If you put it in plastic, like a plastic bag from your grocery store or just plastic, wrap it up, it'll last for a day or two. Paint or joint compound. You're not going to have to do anything to get rolling again. Here's a drying time tip for you. If you put a fan on it, it's going to speed up the drying time tremendously. So there's a tip for you. Hit it with a fan. All right, so I wanted to give you a view in the drying process. I get a lot of questions on how do you know when it's dry. You know your skim coat is dry when it's turned white. If you look over to the right side, you can see it's a little darker and above's a little darker. It's dried right there because the fan was blowing there. You got to move your fan around just a little bit. But you can see that it's dry over here and still drying on the right side and above. It's been exactly 1 hour. The first skim coat is dry. No need to sand it. All you have to do is scrape off any high edges. I mean, not a lot of scraping at all. Second coat's not going to have all these ridges. So I went ahead and spun the skim coat mud one more time to get it all mixed up again. It's been sitting for 2 hours. So here we go, round 2 of skim coating. Stay tuned for the next video in this series where I show you how to use the paint roller trick on the second round of skim coating. Let me know in the comments below if your walls need a skim coat or what type of drywall project you're working on. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.